to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to view match history in a Mobile Legend. Now let's get started. First, open your Mobile Legend apps, and after this you can click on the profile icon at the top. Click on it, and in here you can find a history. This one, you can click on it, and now in here you can see a match history on a Mobile Legend account. In here you can see the date, this one, and the time. In here you can see the time last year match. So that's how to view match history in a Mobile Legend apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.